Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, everybody. My name is Rajimaiti. I am from Timutia, Nichira, Purva Manipur district. I am from Timutia. I am 5 years old. There are five. There are 5 members in our family. My grandfather is My grandfather is a Roshan Mighty. My grandmother is a Mrs. Sumana Mighty. My father name is Mr. Sumit Mighty. My mother name is Mrs. Sam Mighty. My favorite food is my father is a mechanical engineer. My mother is a homemaker. Hmm? My favorite fruit is egg roll. My favorite fruit is banana. My favorite color is orange. My favorite my favorite subject is Bengali. The I like playing, drawing, and reading. Dislike mobile games, cheating, telling lies. I want to be a in Indian Army in my future. Thank you.